Today's topic of my discussion is about isotopes. What is isotopes? So first of all, isotope is from the Greek word iso means same, top means flesh. So it can be defined at atoms of the same element having the same atomic numbers but different mass numbers called isotopes, and the phenomenon is called isotopy. सो एक आंसर के तमाम एटम्स या किसी आंसर के तमाम एटम्स जिसके एटमी नंबर्स एक जैसे हों और कमियती नंबर मुख्तलिफ हों तो आइसोटोप कहलाते हैं. कुल्लु मशुमान आइसोटोप से वेलेशी ले आंसर 10 मुना शिदागे टोलो एटॉमिक नंबर चिकम दे आगसवी the same way. Atomic number is the same way. Mass number is مختلف وي. نو دې ته ویلی شي isotopes او د phenomenon ته څه ویلی شي isotopy ورته ویلی شي. ټیک ده که نه؟ So isotope have the same place or position in periodic tables. Have the isotopes have the same place or position in periodic table. Why they have the same place or position in periodic table? The reason for that because isotope have the same atomic number. What is the reason behind which occupy the same place in periodic table? Because they have the same atomic number. So when you have the same atomic number, so they have the same place in periodic table. Atomic number mean they have the same number of proton. Capital P is used to represent the number of protons. So you have the same number of proton and electron. So when they have the same number of proton and electron, so they have the same atomic number but different number of neutron, so they have different mass number. Why mass number is different? Because they have different number of neutron. So when they have different number of neutron, therefore isotope have different physical properties and the same chemical properties. So it can also be defined it can define is atoms of the same element having the same chemical properties but different physical properties called isotopes. So we can define it atoms of the same element having the same chemical properties but different physical properties. किसे आंसर के तमाम एटम्स जिनकी कीमियाई खवास या खसूसियात एक जैसे हों और तबई खवास या खसूसियात मुख्तलिफ हों तो उसको isotopes या हमजा कहलाते हैं. Why it's different physical properties? Because due to the different number of neutron in each isotopes having the same properties, because they have the same number of proton and electron. Guru Mashamano kata sugurai isotopes te vereshi de yo answer das it muna chi dage atomic number yo shani yo mass number sevi mukhtalif vele te vereshi isotope veleshi. ठीक शो नो isotope have the same place in periodic table. Why they have the same place in periodic table? The reason for them they have the same atomic number. Therefore, reason that actually the atomic number say the isotopes. The total isotope atomic number yoding لهذا the day for periodic table ke the same place the mass number is the bulno moshmona aga the mass different day. She mass number different show the mass the day aga properties chikam di physical properties chikam di aga sidi different di a physical property different chikam di aga mass number bane kaino leha physical properties show aga da masara mukhtalif show. Let's discuss its example. Hydrogen element has three isotopes: protium, deuterium, tritium. The relative abundance of these isotopes: first protium 99.98%, while deuterium is 0.015%, and tritium is present in very small amount, so it's very rare isotope. Now let's discuss the structure of protium. So the number of electrons present in protium and the shell are 1. So there are 1 electron in the shell of protium. Similarly, the number of protons present in the nucleus are also 1 proton. They are present in the nucleus of protium. The number of neutrons present in the protium, so there are no neutron, 0 neutron. So therefore it called protium because there are no neutron. Similarly, atomic number of protium, atomic number is due to the number of proton present in the nucleus or the number of electron in the shell. So they have 1 atomic number. So mass number is the sum of proton and neutron. So protium have no neutron, so only 1 proton. So mass number is also 1. ګلو ماشومانو که تاسو پروټیم ته وګورئ ته پروټیم ځکه وایي چې په دې کې نیوټران نشته نو فرست اف آل په دې کې څو دی یو الکترون دی چې په شیل کې ګرځي ټیک شو په شیل کې زما سره نو الکترون 1 دی پروټون په مرکزه کې زما سره 1 دی نیوټران پکې نشته اټامیک نمبر یا د پروټون یا د الکترون ته یاد ویل شي هغه د ما سره څه دی اټامیک نمبر 1 دی ماس نمبر هم 1 دی ځکه چې نیوټران پکې نشته دغه شان ده کې لیټس the second isotope of hydrogen element is deuterium. So the number of electrons present in the shell are 1 electron. So the number of protons present in the nucleus are 1 proton. The number of neutron is also 1 in case of deuterium, 1 neutron. Similarly, atomic number is the number of proton or electrons, so it also 1, while mass number is the sum of proton and neutron, so mass number is 2. ولنو ماشومانو که تاسو ته وګورئ الکترون پکې یو دی پروټون پکې یو دی نیوټرون پکې یو دی اټامیک نمبر د الکترون یا د پروټون ته ویل شي هغه 1 دی نیوټرون پکې د پروټون او د نیوټرون جمع ته ویل شي هغه دی 2. Similarly, in case of tritium, so it also have 1 electron in the shell, also 1 proton in the nucleus. Neutron are 2 in case of tritium, 2 neutron. Similarly, atomic number is the number of proton and electrons, so it's 1. Mass number is the number of neutron plus proton, so it's 2 neutron and 1 proton is equal to 3 mass number. How much isotope of hydrogen? So you know that hydrogen have 3 isotopes. In all these isotopes have the same atomic number. So in case of protium they have 1 atomic number, in case of deuterium they have 1 atomic number, and tritium also 1 atomic number, while the mass number are different. Protium mass number is 1, deuterium mass number is 2, tritium mass number is 3. So they are isotopes, they have the same atomic number but different mass number. Let's go on to discuss another examples. Isotopes of carbon has 3 isotopes. So the first isotope is carbon 12, second is carbon 13, third isotope of carbon is carbon 14. So the relative abundance of carbon 12 is in nature. So in nature the relative abundance is 98.89%, while the relative abundance of carbon 13 is 1.109%, and carbon 14 is present in very small amount, 1 ppt in 1 part per trillion. So it's very small amount of present in nature. So the structure of carbon 12 is the number of electrons present in carbon 12 is how much electrons are there in the shells. So 2 in the first shell and 4 in the last shell. So they have total 6 electrons in the first isotope of carbon 12. The number of protons present in the nucleus are also 6. The number of neutrons in the nucleus are also 6 neutron. Sorry, here are 6 proton. So atomic number of carbon 12 is the number of proton or electrons, so they are 6, while mass number is the sum of proton and neutrons, so 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 mass number. Similarly, the isotopes carbon 13, so the number of electrons present in the shell are 6 electron, 6 proton present in the nucleus. The number of neutron are here is 7 in case of carbon 13 neutron. Atomic number is the number of proton or electrons, so it's 6, while mass number is the sum of proton in neutron, so 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Similarly, in case of 14, in case of carbon 14, the number of electron is 6, while the number of proton is also 6 present in the nucleus, while the number of neutron is 8. So atomic number is the number of proton or electrons, so its atomic number is 6, while mass number is the sum of proton and neutron, so 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. ولو ما شمانو کتا سوګورې په اولی ایسوټوپ کې چې کوم کاربن 12 دی نو پکې چې الکترون دی په شیلونو کې دا شان چې پروټون په مرکزه کې دي چې نیوټرون په مرکزه کې دي. اتمیک نمبر 6 دی، الکترون او یا د پروټون ته ویل شي، ماس نمبر د پروټون او د نیوټرون ته ویل شي 12 دی. ٹھیک ده، دا شان په دې کې شپږ الکترون دی، شپږ پکې پروټون دی، و پکې نیوټرون دی. اتمیک نمبر د الکترون او پروټون ته ویل شي او ماس نمبر چې کوم دغه پروټون او د نیوټرون مجموعي ته ویل شي نو 6 + 7 = 13. دا شان په دې کې هم الکترون شپږ دی، پروټون پکې شپږ دی، نیوټرون چې کوم دی هغه 8 دی، اتمیک نمبر یې چې دی او ماس نمبر چې کوم دی پروټون او د نیوټرون ته ویل شي نو څه دی 16. نو they are isotopes. Why they are isotopes? The reason because they have the same atomic number. Carbon 12 is also 6 atomic number, carbon 13 is also 6 atomic number, carbon 14 is also 6 atomic number, while the mass number of carbon 12 is equal to 12, while the mass number of carbon 13 is 13, the mass number of carbon 14 is 14. So mass number are totally different due to a different number of neutron, while atomic number is the same. So they are isotopes. So chlorine is also two isotopes. First isotope is chlorine penthes, while the second isotope is chlorine centhes. The relative abundance of chlorine penthes is 75% and the relative abundance of chlorine centhes is 25%. Let's discuss the structure of chlorine. So the number of electrons present in the shell of chlorine penthes, so there are total how much electron? 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, while 7 electrons in the last shell. So there are total 17 electrons in chlorine penthes, while the number of protons present in the nucleus are also 17 proton. The number of neutrons in chlorine penthes is how much? 18 neutron. So atomic number is the number of proton or electrons, so the atomic number is 17, while mass number is the sum of proton and neutron. So mass number of this is 17 plus 18 equal to 35. Similarly, in case of chlorine centhes, the number of electrons present in the shell are how much? 17 electron, while the number of protons present in the nucleus are 17 proton. The number of neutron is how much? 20 neutron, while atomic number is the number of proton or electrons, so at how much? 17, while mass number is the sum of proton and neutron, so 20 plus 17 equal to 37. ګلونو ماشومانو که تاسو وګورئ زما سره په کلورین پینتیس کې څونه الکترون دي؟ 17 الکترون دي. هغه په اولي شیل کې 2 دي، په دویم کې 8 دي، په دریم کې 7 دي، نو ټوټل 17 شو. ٹھیک ده که نه؟ دا شان پروټون په مرکزه کې 17 دي، نیوټرون چې که تاسو وګورئ زما سره 18 دي، اتمیک نمبر یې 17 شو. د پروټانو یا د الکترونو ته ویلی شي، ماس نمبر د پروټون او د نیوټرونو ته ویلی شي. هغه څونه دي؟ 17 plus 18 نو زما سره 35 برابر شو. دا شان په دې کې هم 17 الکترون دي، 17 پروټون دي، نیوټرون په دې کې څو دي؟ 20 دي. اټامیک نمبر 17 چې هغه د پروټون یا د الکترون ته ویلی شي، ماس نمبر د پروټون او د نیوټرونو سم ته ویلی شي، څو دي؟ 37 دي. So لہذا they are isotope. So the reason why they are isotopes, because they have the same atomic number, both are 17, while mass number is different. Here is the mass number is 35, here is 37. ولما شونا the faintest mass number the delta cent, so they are isotopes. So please like and share my videos and also subscribe. Thank you.